Bandung, Bali, Jogja, ya, or what else, dan yang lain-lain. Okay, so you can tell us about the cities you have visited. Silakan ya teman-teman, diangkat tangannya. Okay, and then the third one, yang ketiga guys, what was the most interesting place you have visited? Sorry, what was the most interesting place you visited there? What was, apa saja, the most interesting place, tempat yang paling menarik ya, interesting itu menarik, you visited there, yang kamu kunjungi di sana. Maksudnya yang paling menarik dari sekian banyak itu tempat apa guys? Maybe museum ya, or maybe temple, candi guys, or maybe beach. Oke, for example ya, mungkin museum, maybe temple, candi ya, like Borobudur Temple, atau beach ya, Pandawa Beach, or what itu atau apa. Oke, silakan ya dijawab teman-teman. And the last, which place would you recommend to other people? Which place would you recommend to other people? Tempat apa yang kamu rekomendasikan untuk orang lain? Ya, untuk kita di sini semuanya ya, kira-kira tempat apa? Atau mungkin boleh kota apa gitu juga boleh. Ya, tempat atau kota apa yang kamu rekomendasikan untuk I recommend karena it's so beautiful dan bla 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 bla. Atau mungkin langsung Bali gitu ya, I recommend Bali. Oke ya, boleh bilang teman-teman, diangkat tangannya, silahkan ya. Kita praktek sama-sama, bahasa Indonesia, bahasa Inggris campur dulu nggak masalah, yang penting berani praktek. Okay, we have Sis Nadila, the first one. Hello, Sis Nadila. Okay, good morning. Are you fine,
Not
right,
really,
today?
because I'm mual.
Mual is like vomit, yeah, vomit. Maybe we can say it.
Yes.
Vomit muntah mual ya.
And I'm trying the best today.
Oh my goodness, so sorry for that. But it's okay for you to practice.
Yes, it's okay.
Okay. I want to talk about traveling. So do you like or do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I'm enjoying traveling because traveling make me learn new things, visit new place, and enjoy beautiful scenery.
Very good answer, nice. And what cities or which cities have you visited in Indonesia?
And I'm visited Aceh, Padang, North Sumatra, and Ambon.
Oh, so many, yeah. Okay, good. And what was the most interesting place you visited there?
The most interested place I like, of course, I like beach and seeing the sea.
Beach and sea.
Beach and sea.
Yeah, it's about water, yeah, in this case.
Yes.
Okay. And the last, which place do you or would you recommend to other people, please?
I recommended my friends to Ambon, because Ambon have beautiful beach and good fruit and delicious food.
Very good answer. Thank you, sis. Nadila ya, good.
Thank
From you.
bro.
Yes, a bit correction, satu aja koreksiannya ketika bilang I recommend it. Nah, karena ini merekomendasikan saat-saat ini, jadi recommend gitu ya, bukan recommended. Oke, pakai verb one.
I recommend.
Very good.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you and get well soon ya, sis Nadila.
Thank you, bro.
All right. The next we move to another friend, sis Lida. Hello, sis Lida. Good morning.
Hello, good morning, bro.
Okay, so this is your turn. Do you like or do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I like, very like.
Why?
but I think I refresh my mind and wait.
To refresh your mind,
Yeah, and release my stress.
release your stress. I see.
Yeah.
Okay, which cities have you visited in Indonesia?
I have visited Jatim,
Hmm.
Jawa Barat, Jatim in
East Java, West
Yes.
Java.
Java. I have tinggal 2 years in Surabaya
Oh, I
and
see.
Balikpapan 5 years. Sampit 10 years and last Banjarbaru 3 years.
Oh, so you move from one place to another place.
Yes.
Oh, I see. For working or for studying or for
Working. My husband working to apa namanya? Pindah-pindah.
yeah, it's like moving
Yeah, moving work.
Okay. Okay. What was the most interesting place you visited there?
I think recommended is Istana Jogja.
Jogja.
Ya istananya itu.
Yeah.
Because we have to tahu about Java place.
Okay. Very traditional, this case.
Yes, traditional.
Okay. All right. And the last, which place would you recommend to other people?
Ini Jogja sih. It's Jogja.
Okay. I recommend.
It's Jogja.
Okay. All right.
Jogja is my I think it's very special.
Okay, very good thank you. What we call it in Jogja, it's like sebutan Jogja, it's like
Istimewa itu apa ya? Special.
yeah, the special. Okay.
I live in
and now
Banjarbaru, but I right now in Palangkaraya.
Oh, I see. Like the Banjarbaru language is like ulun, pian, like that, right?
Yeah, this ulun, pian, inggi.
Inggi, that's it. All right. Okay, because so many people from Banjarbaru lives in Kampung Inggris Sis Lida. So many. Yeah, so many. From Sulawesi, from Kalimantan so many, I think.
Oh.
Okay, and the fun fact guys, the person who invented Kampung Inggris, penemu Kampung Inggris itu orang Kalimantan. That's it.
Oh,
that's it.
Apa
Bukan orang Jawa, tapi orang Kalimantan justru.
Oh ya?
Yes.
You pernah datang in Banjarmasin?
Not yet. But so many friends. I have so many friends from Banjarmasin, Banjarbaru.
Yes.
Okay, good. Sis Lida, a bit correction tadi ketika bilang Jawa Timur, Jawa Barat. Nah, Timur itu East. Jadi kalau East Jawa itu kan Java, berarti East Java, berarti itu Jawa Timur.
Oke.
Jawa Barat, Barat itu West, berarti kalau West Jawa Jawa Barat. Oke. Kemudian, aku pernah tinggal tapi karena tinggalnya sementara maksudnya nggak dalam jangka waktu yang lama, karena pindah-pindah, berarti I have been state itu. Kalau live itu tinggalnya jangka panjang, tapi kalau state itu berpindah-pindah sementara. Jadi I have been stayed in Surabaya, Balikpapan.
Tapi kalau misalkan nggak tahu jangka waktunya kapan tuh, kayak sekarang, saya kan lagi di Bali.
Berarti sekarang live, karena kita sama satu lagi tadi istana istana itu Pele.
Oke,
Place.
Pak.
Place.
Place.
Kalau place tempat, tapi kalau place it's like istana. Okay,
Oke.
thank you, Sis Lida. Ya. Very good from
Thank
you.
Bro.
The next, let me give it to another friend, Sis Latifa. Are you there? Good morning, sister.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, so this is your turn. I want to ask you, do you enjoy traveling?
I like traveling because I can refresh my mind. Can healing gitu. Bisa healing.
Oh.
I can.
Yeah, I can heal atau I can do healing ya. Okay, good. And then, which series have you visited in Indonesia, sister?
Yes. Hello.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, I repeat again ya. Which series have you visited in Indonesia?
Yeah, I have visited Bandung, Yogyakarta, Semarang, and Bali.
Okay, good. And what was the most interesting place you visited there?
The most interesting place visited there is Yogyakarta.
Yogyakarta ya.
Because in Yogyakarta, we can see Palace Kraton.
Kraton, yes, okay.
Yes, Kraton, traditional food, apa sih, kebudayaan gitu.
Yeah, the culture.
So many kind gitu.
Okay, all right. Very, rich of culture, right?
Yes.
Kaya kan budaya ya, rich of culture. Okay, good. And then the last, which place would you recommend to other people, Sis Latifa?
This is Kraton Jogja, Malioboro, and other place.
Okay, in Yogyakarta ya.
Yes.
I see.
Because in Malioboro we can apa sih, belanja.
Shopping.
Okay, do shopping.
Shopping. So in Kraton we can see traditional culture.
Very good. Yeah. Sis Latifa, thank you. That's nice English that you have. Nice answer. Yeah. Anyway, where do you live in now?
Bandung.
Where? Bandung, ya. Okay. And your favorite is Yogyakarta.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Sis Latifa. Tadi ya untuk satu aja koreksian ketika bilang budaya, it's culture ya. Budaya itu culture. Very good.
Okay.
Thank you. And the next one ya, we have Sis Dita. Hi, Sis Dita.
Hi, bro.
Hello. Okay, directly, do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I enjoy traveling because I'm extrovert person. Happy. Nature.
Okay, good. Which cities have you visited in Indonesia?
Many city atau beberapa kota tuh some
cities. Kalau many banyak, some beberapa.
Cities in West Java, East Java, Central Java, and then Makassar, Belitung Island, and maybe Bengkulu.
Okay, I see. Okay, good. And what was the most interesting place you visited there?
The most interesting place was Belitung Island. Because the beach is very clean and the island is very quiet.
Quiet. Okay,
and the island
quiet,
is very quiet.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay, and then the last, which place would you recommend to other people here?
Of course, I recommend visit the Belitung Island because it has beautiful beach and because Belitung Island is small island, there is a very quiet. You can find peacefully.
Yeah, peaceful place maybe
peaceful,
ya.
yeah. Peaceful place in
Oke.
there.
Very good ya. Oke, maksudnya menemukan tempat yang damai atau kedamaian? What do you think?
Gimana ya? Karena itu tempatnya sepi gitu, bro. Jadi kita ngerasa gitu. Itu gimana?
Berarti menemukan kedamaian ya.
Menemukan kedamaian.
Oke, berarti you can find peace gitu ya. Peace. Peace itu bisa damai, kedamaian. You can find the peace.
Oh ya, oke. Kalau
There, di sana.
gimana, bro?
Sorry?
Kalau peacefully itu gimana?
Peacefully itu dengan damai. Peacefully. Nah, itu dengan damai. Misalnya saya bisa melakukan sesuatu dengan damai, dengan enak gitu. Berarti I can do anything peacefully. Like that. Okay.
Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
good. Thank you, Sis Dita. Yeah, thank you so much. That's nice from you. All right, yeah, some questions here can be the questions for you breakout room today ya. Nanti bisa juga kita bawa beberapa pertanyaan ini ke breakout room teman-teman. Do you like traveling? Do you enjoy traveling? Apakah kamu suka jalan-jalan? Nanti silakan dijawab ya, yes or no, kemudian why. Kemudian which cities have you visited in Indonesia? Kota apa saja yang sudah kamu kunjungi di Indonesia? Nah, silakan nanti dijawab. I have visited, aku sudah mengunjungi, sebutkan kota apa saja. Next, what was the most interesting place you visited there? Apa tempat yang paling menarik ya yang kamu kunjungi di sana, di kota-kota itu apa? Satu aja yang paling menarik dan kenapa gitu ya. And then which place would you recommend to others? Tempat apa yang kamu rekomendasikan ke orang-orang yang ada di kelas ini? That's it. Oke ya, nanti silakan dibawa ke breakout room. Tapi sekarang kita belajar dulu untuk merekomendasikan suatu tempat ya, atau kota atau ya daerah ya. Jika partners ingin memberikan travel recommendation ya, rekomendasi perjalanan ke seseorang atau teman, bisa pakai salah satu cara berikut ini. This one guys. Yang pertama ya, selain kita bilang I recommend, aku merekomendasikan seperti yang saya tulis di akhir tadi, itu boleh kita tambahkan ada kata highly ya. Tulisannya highly, tapi bacanya highly. I highly recommend, kemudian diikuti oleh nama tempatnya. Artinya saya sangat merekomendasikan gitu. Dan ini teman-teman digunakan ya untuk rekomendasi yang kuat tapi masih sopan. Jadi kita sangat merekomendasikan gitu maksudnya ya. Dan ini sopan guys. I highly recommend, bukan recommended ya, tapi recommend. Oke. Kemudian yang kedua, ini cocok ya untuk memberi saran berdasarkan pengalaman pribadi. Kita menyarankan orang ya karena kita sudah pernah ke sana gitu ya. Jadi berdasarkan pengalaman. Boleh dong kita baca contohnya sama-sama guys. Can you? I highly, boleh coba. One, two, three.
I highly recommend Bali because it has beautiful beach.
Oke, bacanya beaches, beaches. Nah, oke, artinya pantai gitu ya. Kalau diartikan gimana guys? Saya sangat
Rekomendasikan Bali karena pantai di Bali sangat indah.
Pantai di Bali sangat indah.
Oke, karena pantai-pantai di Bali sangat indah.
Yes.
Oke, jadi boleh ya kita bilang I recommend aja boleh. Aku merekomendasikan atau ditambahkan highly. Highly itu sangat ya. Sangat merekomendasikan.
That's beautiful.
Oke, that's nice. The next one yang selanjutnya ya kita bisa pakai should. Nah, should itu artinya seharusnya atau sebaiknya, seharusnya gitu ya. You should visit. Nah, kamu seharusnya mengunjungi. That's it. You should visit, kemudian disebutkan ya nama tempatnya ya. Dan untuk yang kedua ini teman-teman, ini lebih langsung sebagai saran atau advice. Dan ini lebih apa ya, lebih santai gitu guys untuk percakapan sehari-hari. Nah ini nih, terasa lebih friendly ya dan umum dipakai dalam percakapan sehari-hari. Jadi untuk ke teman ya, untuk keseharian bisa pakai kata should ya. You should. Kamu seharusnya, kamu sebaiknya visit, mengunjungi. Boleh dong kita baca contohnya guys. 1, 2, 3 coba. You
You
should.
should visit
You should visit
if you like
Jakarta if you like
Jakarta if
culture.
you like culture.
Oke, if you like bacanya culture.
Culture.
Oke.
Culture.
Ya, pakai C, culture. Very good. Ya, kamu sebaiknya atau seharusnya mengunjungi Yogyakarta jika kamu menyukai. What is culture, guys?
Kultur.
Iya, budaya ya.
budaya.
Very good.
Iya.
So, good.
Budaya.
Itu ya bisa pakai should. Or we can use the other one. Nah, ini kita bisa pakai must. Tapi kalau must itu kayak lebih
Wajib.
ke nyuruh gitu ya. Karena kuat gitu, guys. You must go to. Nah, kamu harus pergi ke, terus nama tempatnya. Nah, ini ya penggunaannya paling kuat dan tegas. Jadi lebih ke bukan cuma menyarankan aja ya, tapi kayak mendorong kamu ayo ke sana dong gitu. Terus digunakan untuk menunjukkan tempat yang wajib dikunjungi. Jadi benar-benar apa ya? Ini harus banget nih dikunjungi. Makanya mas. Sering dipakai saat yakin tempat itu luar biasa. Ya mungkin berdasarkan pengalaman kita ya atau cerita-cerita orang yang kita yakin itu tempatnya sangat recommended gitu. Boleh dong kita baca contohnya guys. You must
You must go to Lombok because it's amazing.
Go to Lombok because it's amazing.
It is amazing. Artinya apa guys? Kamu
harus
pergi ke
Lombok karena itu sangat luar biasa.
Karena itu luar biasa. Oke, that's it ya. Oke. Jadi silakan digunakan yang mana aja boleh. I highly recommend atau you should visit atau you must go to. It's okay. You can choose one of the. Coba sebelum kita melangkah ke part selanjutnya bahasa Inggris kan Bali karena Bali itu sangat indah.
I highly recommend Bali because Bali is beautiful.
Bali because
So beautiful.
Okay, I highly recommend Bali because Bali is so beautiful. Tapi kalau kamu seharusnya mengunjungi Bali karena Bali itu indah.
Nggak ada niat juga bos.
You should visit Bali because Bali is so beautiful.
Very good. You should visit Bali because Bali is so beautiful. Yang terakhir, kamu harus pergi ke Bali karena Bali itu sangat indah.
You must go to Bali because
so beautiful. It's beautiful.
Because Bali is beautiful. Easy peasy lemon squeezy ya guys, mudah kan ya?
Yes.
Okay, that's great everybody. Okay, let's move to the next part. Dan sekarang kita masuk ke part selanjutnya dan ini adalah kosakata hari ini. Box of vocabularies related to traveling. Kosakata berhubungan dengan jalan ya. Yang pertama ada book a ticket. Nah, walaupun saya izin mute sebentar ya karena tadi soalnya tabrakan, tapi teman-teman tetap ditirukan ya. Book a ticket. Artinya adalah memesan tiket. Book itu kalau jadi kata benda artinya buku ya. Tapi kalau jadi kata kerja artinya memesan. Nah, jadi memesan a ticket, sebuah tiket atau memesan tiket. Next ada arrive at. Arrive at itu tiba di. Misalnya I arrive at Ngurah Rai Airport. Saya tiba di Bandara Ngurah Rai. Jadi tiba di terus nama tempatnya. Arrive at gitu ya. Kemudian ada take photos. Nah, take photos. Ada S-nya ya, karena berarti fotonya lebih dari satu. Kalau satu kan take photo gitu ya. Tapi kalau lebih dari satu, take photos. The next ada beach. Nah, beach itu pantai guys. Kalau lebih dari satu, tambahkan ES jadi beaches kayak tadi ya di contohnya. Beaches. Next, nah ini bacanya Bukan mountain ya, tapi mountain. Mountain itu gunung. Misalnya Semeru Mountain gitu. Gunung Semeru gitu ya.
Mountain.
Next ada beautiful. Beautiful itu indah ya, cantik, indah. That's beautiful. The next one is amazing. Amazing itu luar biasa. Amazing. And then the next one is relaxing. Relaxing. Okay, relaxing itu menyenangkan, membuat relax gitu ya, menenangkan. Sorry, bukan menyenangkan tapi menenangkan. Kalau menyenangkan itu fun ya. Tapi kalau menenangkan relaxing. The next ada exciting atau exciting gitu. Exciting itu seru ya. Nah, ini harusnya menyenangkan guys, sorry. Ini bukan menegangkan itu. Ya bisa sih ya exciting. Tergantung konteksnya guys. Kita ngomongin kalau misalnya ada wahana gitu ya, it's so exciting. Itu bisa juga sih artinya menegangkan. Oke, tergantung kalimatnya. Bisa seru, bisa menegangkan. Next, ke sebelah kanan ada park. Park itu taman. Kemudian ada waterfall ya, waterfall. Water itu kan air ya, fall itu jatuh, air jatuh. Air terjun maksudnya ya, waterfall. Next ada village. Village itu desa. Kemudian ada handicraft. Handicraft itu kerajinan tangan ya, handicraft. Kemudian souvenir item. Boleh biasanya kita bilang cuma souvenir gitu ya. Ya oleh-oleh ya, barang oleh-oleh. Kemudian ada fun. Fun itu menyenangkan. Nah ini ya tadi, fun menyenangkan. Next ada fresh. Fresh itu segar. Oke, misalnya the air is so fresh. Udaranya sangat segar. Kemudian crowded ya, crowded itu ramai. Banyak orang, ramai, crowded. Okay, the next one peaceful atau peace boleh, peaceful, peace itu artinya damai. Okay, like that. Okay guys, is there any question? Mungkin ada pertanyaan dari teman-teman sebelum praktek untuk teman-teman hari ini ya. Sis Nadila, you raise your hand. Do you wanna ask
I
something?
wanna ask perbedaan exciting sama excited.
Exciting sama excited. Oke. Exciting itu seru. Excited itu bersemangat. That's it. Jadi kalau excited, si subjeknya merasa bersemangat. Misalnya gini, I am excited today. Aku bersemangat hari ini. Nah, tapi kalau exciting itu misalnya Bali is, sorry bukan Bali, apa ya yang subjeknya itu merasakan sesuatu, yaitu merasa bersemangat. Gitu, Sis Nadila?
Oke, jadi kalau misalnya kita bertanya sama teman, are you excited?
Yes.
Are you excited?
No, are you excited? That's it. Itu yang benar.
Okay, thank you, bro.
Okay, welcome. The next, Bro Harso, you wanna ask something, please?
Saya mau tanya Bro Koko tentang penggunaan untuk mengekspresikan pergi itu go atau depart?
Pergi, ya go ya, pergi itu go.
Kalau depart apa itu? Untuk
keberangkatan. Biasanya untuk jadwal.
Oh, keberangkatan.
Yes.
Oh, iya.
Ya, keberangkatan.
Untuk pesawat aja ya mungkin kalau depart.
Iya, untuk keberangkatan yang terjadwal gitu, Bro.
Oh, oke.
Yes.
Oke.
Tapi kalau go
Thank
itu,
you.
ya kalau go itu pokoknya pergi gitu ya, entah kapanpun itu, misalnya I go to mall, I go to school, I go to, nah, gitu. Jadi tidak terjadwal.
Oh.
Yes. Oke, Bro Harsa.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome. The next, Bro Nanda, please. That's your turn. You wanna ask something?
Kalau beda you must go to sama you have to go, itu apa ya?
You must sama you have to ya.
Ya.
Oke. Alright. Insya Allah nanti di pertemuan ke-15 mungkin ya, kita akan bahas tentang bedanya must sama have to. Nah, jadi sama-sama artinya harus ya. You must go, kamu harus pergi. You have to go, kamu harus pergi.
Oh, berarti sama aja ya, Ko?
Bedanya adalah kalau must itu lebih kuat gitu, bro, kayak harus banget gitu kalau must. Tapi kalau have to ya apa ya, nggak sekenceng must gitu ya. Jadi lebih must itu lebih ke nyuruh gitu, bro.
Oh,
Oke? Do
oke.
you get it?
Thank you, bro.
Oke, cool.
Oke, then good. Oke, pokoknya bedanya
bro.
gampangnya gini guys. Kalau must itu harus banget, have to tuh harus aja gitu. Oke. Misal ya guys, ada kondisi yang sulit, ada kebakaran, terus kita lagi di dalam rumah ya. Kamu harus keluar. Itu pakainya must apa pakai have to?
Mas.
Nah, itu dia.
Oke.
Pakainya must. Gitu.
Baru.
Tapi kalau di dalam rumah kita cuman gerah aja nih, kamu seharusnya keluar. Nah, itu baru pakai have. Nah, itu bedanya. Ya, gampangnya gitu sih.
Oke. Pakai should juga bisa kan?
Kalau should seharusnya itu lebih ke saran, kayak dilakukan boleh, enggak juga enggak masalah, itu tergantung kamu. Yes. Oke, itu namanya model ya. Nanti insya Allah di pertemuan ke-15 ya, mungkin kita belajar model. Model itu kata bantu, kata kerja. Kata bantu, kata kerja. Oke, good. Thank you for the questions everybody. Dan coba dong sekarang teman-teman praktek memilih salah satu negara ya yang paling ingin dikunjungi. Choose one country you want to choose, pilihlah one country, satu negara you want to visit the most itu paling ya, yang paling ingin kamu kunjungi. Nah, nanti bisa dibuat jadi paragraf gitu, satu cerita ya, dan dengan menjawab beberapa pertanyaan ini. Why do you want to visit that country? Mengapa kamu ingin mengunjungi negara itu? And then what are unique things about that country? Apa saja hal-hal unik ya tentang negara itu? And what do you want to do there? Dan apa yang ingin kamu lakukan di sana? Apakah traveling, jalan-jalan aja ya? Or maybe shopping atau belanja atau apa gitu. Oke, ini contohnya guys. I want to visit Japan the most. Aku paling ingin mengunjungi Jepang ya. I want to visit Japan because it is very beautiful and amazing. Aku ingin mengunjungi Jepang karena itu sangat indah ya dan luar biasa. I think Japan is good place for vacation. Menurutku Jepang itu tempat yang bagus untuk vacation ya, liburan. Japan has many unique things like temples, modern cities, and traditional culture. Jepang memiliki hal-hal yang unik ya. Contohnya seperti like di sini bukan suka ya, tapi seperti candi, terus kota yang modern ya, dan juga kebudayaan yang tradisional. The weather and places are also very interesting. Weather itu cuaca ya, cuaca dan tempat-tempatnya are also itu juga very interesting, sangat menarik. I will book a ticket and arrive at Japan. Aku akan memesan tiket dan akan tiba di Jepang. Akan sampai di Jepang. I will walk around the city, go sightseeing, and take photos. Aku akan berjalan ya around the city, mengelilingi kota. Go sightseeing. Sightseeing itu melihat-lihat guys. Jadi kayak lihat-lihat aja ya, lihat keadaan gitu. Go sightseeing and take photos, dan juga berfoto. I also want to buy some souvenirs and special food there. Aku juga ingin membeli beberapa souvenir dan makanan di sana. Gitu ya guys, ini contohnya, boleh nanti lebih panjang. That's better everybody. Oke, silakan dipersiapkan teman-teman. Dan coba dong yang mau praktek di sini dulu, silahkan. Come on, raise hand sambil nunggu teman-teman yang lain untuk prepare ya. Preparation. Silahkan, ada yang mau nyoba? Maybe Sis Najma ya, you raise your hand. Halo Sis Najma. Sorry, wait, hold on. Okay, hello, Sis Najma.
Hello, bro.
Okay, are you ready about this practicing?
Ready?
Okay, please, yes.
I want to visit Turkey the most. I want to visit Turkey because it is very beautiful and amazing. I think Turkey is a good place for a vacation. Turkey has many unique things, such as Hagia Sophia and Topkapi Palace in Istanbul, hot air balloons, and the underground city in Cappadocia. The places are also very interesting. Very interesting. I will walk around the city, go sightseeing, and take photos. I also want to buy some souvenirs and special there. Thank you.
Thank you, Sis Najma, ya. Thank you, very good from you. It's about Turkey, ya. A bit correction, sedikit koreksian cara baca cuaca, bukan weather, ya, tapi weather. The weather. Boleh coba diterangkan, Sis Najma?
Weather.
The weather.
Weather.
Very good. Itu bacanya, ya. Oke, overall, amazing from you. Thank you, Sis Najma. Thank you so much. Oke, the next, Sis Dita, ya. Silakan teman-teman, prepare, ya. Oke, Sis Dita, halo. Okay, so this is your turn. Ready? Please.
Switzerland, because it's very
Dalam air mati ya?
Sorry, Sis Dita, would you please speak louder?
I want to visit Switzerland. Can you hear my voice? It's clear, bro?
Yeah, please.
I want to visit Switzerland because it's very beautiful and amazing country. I think the landscape, the nature, I can be relaxed in there. I want to naik kereta apa, bro?
No, I want to go by. I want to go by train, gitu. Yes.
Around the mountain, mengitari apa namanya gunung-gunung yang ada di sana.
Yeah, around the mountain.
Mountain.
Yes, that's it.
Okay.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you, Sis Dita, ya. Thank you so much. Very good. That's nice from you, ya. I want to go by train tadi, ya. Kalau naik kereta, naik kendaraan itu pakai by. Misalnya kereta ya by train. Kalau bis berarti by bus. Kalau pesawat by plane seperti itu. Oke, very good ya, Sis Dita. Alright, this is your turn, guys. Silakan ya, teman-teman semuanya untuk praktek menceritakan, menjelaskan satu negara yang paling ingin dikunjungi. Oke. And then after you finish, nanti kalau teman-teman di roomnya ternyata sudah selesai, nah karena beberapa waktu ada yang sudah selesai tapi akhirnya bingung nih mau bahas apa. Ya, teman-teman bisa lempar pertanyaan tadi ya. Ini dia. Jadi tadi satu negara yang paling ingin dikunjungi, negara apa? Dan yang kedua, tanya jawab tentang negara kita ya. Kita pernah kemana aja nih di Indonesia? Like that one. Dengan 4 pertanyaan yang tadi. Oke ya, silahkan dipraktekkan guys. So you need to practice. You have time around 15 to 20 minutes. 15-20 menitan because this is 13th meeting ya, ini sudah pertemuan ke-13, sudah minggu ketiga. Jangan sampai teman-teman tidak praktek atau bahkan masih takut untuk berbicara pakai bahasa Inggris. Oke ya, kita praktekkan. And are you ready guys for it? Ready?
Ready.
Let's go. Click joining. Make sure that the connection is stable ya. Pastikan koneksi stabil. Teman-teman silahkan bergabung ke rumah masing-masing. Okay, good luck guys. Enjoy your practicing.
Bye.
Hello guys, good morning. Hi Iren.
Hello guys.
It's me again.
Morning.
Hello, good morning bro. Hi Johnny Lubis.
Nadila. Hey everyone.
We meet again.
Yeah.
Yeah, Johnny, are you Batak?
Yeah. I Bataknis from North Sumatra, Medan.
Ah, I'm from Medan.
Yeah. I know.
What address?
I live in Pardede.
Pardede Hall.
No. Highway Semayang, Tol Semayang.
Tol Semayang.
Pintu Tol Semayang arah Binjai.
Ah,
Dekat.
Binjai. Yeah, I know. Okay, guys. Sorry. Go ahead. Iren, can you turn? Bro Johnny?
Come on guys. Come on guys.
All right.
Who will be the
Okay,
first?
Nadila. Maybe you can first.
Let me first guess.
Okay. Nadila.
Yeah. Hello guys. Good morning. My name is Nadila. You can call me.
Sorry, Nadila. I can hear you.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Udah ada dengar nggak?
Yeah.
Continue.
Oke. Aku ulang ya. I really want to go South Korea because I love Korean culture, food, and dramas. South Korea is unique because it has modern cities, beautiful place, and delicious food. I would like to visit Seoul, try Korean food on the Seoul, go shopping, and see famous place from Korean dramas. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Nadila. It's good. Nice.
Thank you, Nadila.
Oke, buffering deh. Udah.
Okay. Who the next?
Nanda, can you turn?
This is my turn. Okay. My name is Nanda. I'm from Medan. I now freelance in.
Wah, orang Medan kita bertiga.
Yeah, I'm Medan Tembung.
Dekat sama rumahku.
Medan.
Aku Medan Denai.
Oh, Denai. Iya. Okay, guys. I'm freelance in Makkah. I'm tour guide, and then I have after going in Makkah, I go to Jakarta, and then I go to a beautiful city with it called by Ciwidey, and I go to it has beautiful place like Kawah Putih, and then I go to anywhere, and I feel so ketenangan apa ya?
Calm. Apa sih?
Peaceful.
Hah?
Peaceful bukan?
Oh, peaceful. Okay, I have a peaceful
Yeah,
and then I'm so happy because that's my dream. Go to Bandung, Ciwidey and others. Not Jakarta, not Jakarta only. Then I I have planned go to Raja Ampat because my father said that a good place, beautiful place in Indonesia. And then and all of you must go there. I don't go there. I don't go there not yet. I do not go there yet, but I have a plan to go to Raja Ampat and then what ya? Why-nya udah, karenanya udah. And the country I want to go to Vietnam and Thailand, but I have planned with my friends. Maybe if we have much money, we will go there. Maybe you can join us in the next time or the last year in this last year or last month. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So what your visit country?
Oh, I want visit
Your dream country?
dream country, Thailand and Vietnam. That's
Why?
because Thailand have sopan apa tadi? Polite ya? Sopan polite ya?
Apa lagi?
Sopan tuh traditional culture and then
Traditional.
people
Yeah, polite, sopan.
polite and the people is good. So I'm interested to go to Thailand and Vietnam. Vietnam is so many beautiful country and then unique people in there. And I have discussed with my friends. Maybe we will go to this two countries from Malaysia. Maybe that's it.
Okay, thank you, bro.
Yeah. Thank you, Nadila. Thank you, Johnny Lubis and Iren and others.
Bro,
Okay, I will try. Hi guys, I want to tell you about my dream country, my visit dream country. I want to visit Swiss because it's beautiful place and peaceful place. In Swiss, have much train that crosses the mountain and several beautiful places like lake and I really want using the railway. And in Swiss, there is a beautiful waterfall like Rhine waterfall, and too much beautiful place like lake, waterfall, and mountain in Swiss. And the fun fact is, the city is big and like kotanya kayak kota tua di Medan gitu. Apa ya bilangnya?
Old city.
Classic.
Classic.
It's classic. Classic building. Yeah.
In Medan.
Yeah.
Kesawan.
Yeah. That's all about my country visit dream. Thank you.
Oke, jadi pengen pulang kampung aku.
Where do you live? Where are you living, Nadila?
In April, I'm living in Tangerang.
Oh,
because I'm married.
Oh, you have husband in Tangerang.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Kangen aku sama mamaku.
Go home, nak, go home, nak.
Iya, go home lah aku Desember nanti.
Okay.
Okay, Iren, can you turn? Hello, Iren.
Iren, the last Iren. We waiting for you, sis. Atau jangan-jangan Iren ini orang Medan juga nih, Kak?
Tutup gitu aja, dan terkunci.
Oke.
Oke, aku mulai ya.
Ya, oke.
I want to visit China this month. I want to visit China is amazing. I think China is good. Please our affection. The place are also very interesting. I will book a ticket and arrive at China. I walk around the city, go trekking and take photos. I also want to itu aja lah. Thank you.
Besok udah tanggal 25 kan, Bang?
Thank you,
Cepat
Iren.
nih, Bang, kalau bisa di
Thank you,
schedule.
Iren.
Dan kita tentuin tanggal yang pastinya tanggal berapa jadinya.
Bro Nanda, what do you do?
I have a problem or mistake. We book a ticket to Jeddah tomorrow, but
Travel.
yeah, but we have mistake like visa. Our visa is not approved, not issued. So we want to reschedule the ticket, and then we must payment the for reschedule.
I'm sorry, bro.
That's it.
What's the problem? Maksudnya gara-gara apa misalnya nggak di-approve?
Because this is,
Apa kan kita kan biasanya kalau misalnya ke Mekah tuh pakai travel ya, nggak mereka urusin kah?
karena kita mandiri kan, jadi
Oh, mandiri.
karena kita mandiri, jadi kita ngurusnya sendiri. Dan ada kawan juga, memang kami sekitar 5 orang. Cuman ya karena awal musim setelah masa haji, jadi sistem mereka berubah-ubah. Nah, itu yang jadi masalah gitu. Dan semua serba mahal jadinya kan. Apalagi after baru naik. Ya.
Iyalah.
Tapi udah dibayar, uangnya nggak bisa balik kan, reschedule.
Kalau visa tuh bayar berapa? How much?
Biasanya visa tuh murah, 4 jutaan. Ini kami diharuskan untuk pesan visa dan penginapan. Alasannya program Prabowo yang katanya harus lewat satu jaringan, harus satu jalur mesennya. Itulah jadi masalah. Jadi Indonesia ini memperibet, banyak yang tercancel penerbangannya, kasihan.
Pesan kali lah ya.
Iya, perubahan Prabowo ini semuanya harus lewat kedutaan lagi semua. Padahal kemarin-kemarin nggak ada kayak gitu. Ya.
Iya, kalau umroh setahu aku gampang aja nggak sih, beda sama visa haji kan?
Gampang, makanya ini pada pening semua travel karena harus lewat satu jalur kan. Itu kan disuruh Pak Prabowo. Umroh harus satu jalur, alasannya ya terdampar lah, yang nggak dapat penginapan lah. Tapi kan Nggak semua travel kayak gitu. Maksudnya kalau mau kayak gitu ya langsung aja disidak travelnya yang mana gitu. Ini nggak jadi pukul rata semua. Kasihan yang dia tuh umroh padahal dia masih nyicil. Ada dia kan yang bisa berangkatin duluan. Jadi
Iya.
jadi banyaklah problemnya. Ya udah mengurusi diri sendiri aja lah dulu. Thank you guys. Next di aja.
Recording in progress.
Traveling. Anyway, what country, guys, you wanna visit the most? Can you tell me?
England. Arab Saudi maybe.
Australia.
England, Australia, and then
Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia. Okay. What else?
But we can speak their language, you know.
I think it's better if we can speak their language, but if we can speak English only, I think that's also help, yeah, because English is international language. That's it. Okay, so I hope the best, and we can go to the country that we dream, everybody. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for the practicing, for the joining, and for tomorrow we are going to learn about listening, ya. Listening itu apa sih, guys? What is listening?
Mendengarkan.
Mendengarkan. There will be an audio and we have to listen to. Akan ada audio yang akan kita dengarkan besok, and then try to understand and then catch the points, and please answer some questions. Besok coba ya. Jadi silakan dipahami besok ketika di kelas ya. Dan juga silakan dijawab pertanyaan. Insya Allah besok kita nggak ada breakout room. Okay, thank you guys. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
See you tomorrow.
See you.
Nice to meet you.